We are just 10 days away from the launch of the Nothing Phone 2. The Phone 2 is confirmed to be launched on July 11th, and it's great to see that the Nothing company lives on, reportedly making $200 million in revenue last year. Nothing has come to stay. This is all we have about the Nothing Phone 2, so let's get right into it. First, let's talk about some major changes. A distinct design change. The Nothing Phone 2 isn't going to have a selfie cutout at the left corner, but rather it's going to be centered like Samsung's flagship devices. I do think it's a great design decision. I've always loved the center positioning of a selfie camera, but let me know of your thoughts in the comment section. What's your favorite positioning of the selfie camera on any device? The Nothing Phone 2 is going to have a screen that is ever so slightly curved at the edges, very reminiscent of the iPhone X. The glyph that literally paved way for the Nothing Phone 1 is getting an upgrade. The glyph is also getting an upgrade with more separate LED lights, which should provide much more customizations with Nothing OS 2.0 in beta right now, allowing you to create your own custom switches. The Phone 2 is going to sport a 6.7-inch 1080p display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Nothing OS 2 based on Android 13 is finally coming, and as stated, it's going to come with more customizations, nice smooth animations, themed icons, although this may end up being just black and white in Nothing fashion. According to Calpay, users of the Phone 1 should receive the update in August. I'm really glad Nothing didn't leave them behind. Carl also tweeted about the new Type-C to Type-C cable that is going to come in the box of the Nothing Phone 2, which seems like Nothing's own customized Type-C cable, not a generic one, and it looks nice and very steady as well. Cameras, not much, but we do know that Nothing Phone 2 will still feature two cameras, a main and an ultra-wide. According to Calpay, the Phone 2 is able to shoot raw HDR photos and has the capabilities to record proper 4K 60 frames per second footage. With last year's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 running everything under the hood, this looks promising. The battery in the device is going to be a 4700 mAh cell with an impressive 45 watts fast charging. The Nothing Phone 2 will be available in much more regions including the US. For its price, and the Phone 2 is rumored to get more expensive than the predecessor, coming in at around $700 to $800. But these are just speculations and could come at a significantly less price like its predecessor. Nothing is really standing out to be one of the biggest competitors in the mid-range space, and probably have been going for the flagships as well as a flagship killer. Let me know of your thoughts in the comment section below. Like and subscribe, and I'll be back when I find something new.